Fusion 360 download, free download. We're going to click on the top link here, and here it says for personal use, and that's exactly what we're targeting. So we're going to see here that there's some qualification information, and you can read through that, but what we're really interested in is scrolling down here to the Get Started page. Now we're going to create an account. We're going to put in our name, and then I'm going to put in my email and password. And that's it. Now it's saying our account is created, and this will give us access to all of our Autodesk applications. I'm going to uncheck this because it's a bunch of emails, and personally I get enough already. And we're going to hit done. So we're just going to click on Get Started right here, and it is downloading our copy. Okay, we're finished, and we're going to open up that executable file. And I'm just going to skip ahead until this is finished. It should take a couple minutes at least. So despite getting some error messages, the program is successfully installed. So now to find it, we're going to hit Start, and then we're going to type in Fusion 360. We're going to click here, and then I'll bring you guys back once the program has actually started up. Okay, so it's open. Now here's where we actually sign in again with that same email that you used before. Let me just sign in real quick. So now you're going to have to actually go into your email that you used to sign up and find the verification code that they have sent to you. And here is my email. So I'm just going to click Verify Email here, and then it's going to bring us to this page telling us that our account is actually verified. Now that allows us to use our program. I'm going to hit Done here, and it's just going to bring us back here. So we're going to go back into Fusion 360 and already verified, and hit Continue. Alright, and we've got a couple welcome messages, and we're going to create a team. Enter team name, we'll call it Stevie. And since I'm going to be working by myself basically, I'm going to hit Do Not Allow Discovery. Alright, and now that it has created our team, it is ready to use. So we'll hit Go to Team. Hey, got it, because I guess there's no way to deny this. And I'm not going to refer a friend at this time, but we're all set. This is Fusion 360 now, and this was just a short tutorial on how to actually install the program, because I know it can be a little bit challenging to actually even find the download in the first place. Well, thank you guys for watching.